Good day. In this video, I will show you on how to open an existing notebook. So first again, using the Google Drive interface, just double click the notebook that you want to open. It will open into a new Google tab. Wait for it to load. That's the first way. Second way is to right click and then click the open with and select the Google Collaboratory. So I will just select other one. Open with then Google Collaboratory, and it will also open into a new Google tab and wait for it to load. Then the other way is that through an opened notebook. So if you want to open another notebook while you are inside a notebook, just go to the file, then click the open notebook, or click or press the Control plus O in your keyboard. Then this dialog box again will appear. So by default, it will open in the recent tabs where your recent opened notebooks can be seen. So just select this by clicking the file name and it will open. Okay, so in Google Colab or in web browsers, although it is already open, it will be opened again. Okay, unlike in the Microsoft Word or other apps, if it's already open, it will not open again. Okay, so be sure that the notebook that you are opening is not currently open so that you will prevent your a problem in your new codes. Okay, so let's just exit this one. And then again, another way is if you would like to access it through the official website of the Google Colab, again in colab.research.google.com. Again, the dialog box will open, so you can open it in this recent tab, or you can open your Google Drive. So all of the Google Colab notebooks will appear here. And then if you have your GitHub repositories, or if you have a local notebook that was saved from other software such as Jupyter Notebook or Visual Code Editor, you can open it as long as the file name is .ipynb, or others you can have it .py or short for Python. But since it's a notebook, our file name should be .ipynb. And you can also open some examples templates, okay, like this one, the forms. Okay, so the template is here, so you can edit that one. So that's how you open an existing notebook. So that's all for this video. Thank you for listening.